Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I want to show you how you could take a picture of a document like this and then convert this text to text that you can edit on your computer or on your phone. And today I'm going to show you how to do that using a new and free app called the Office app, which is made by Microsoft. And this works across both the iPhone and Android phones. And my HR department requires me to say this, but I work at Microsoft as a full-time employee. All right, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step-by-step how to do this. And the first step that we're going to do is we're going to get the Office app. Now, if you're on an iPhone, you're going to head to the App Store. If you're on an Android phone, head over to the Play Store. I happen to be on an iPhone today, so I'm going to show you how to do it on an iPhone. However, the Office app looks the same on both the iPhone and an Android phone. So whichever one you're on, you'll be able to follow along because it looks identical. All right, so I'm going to click into the App Store, and then you're going to search for an app called Microsoft Office. I've already typed it in. And the first app that should show up is called Microsoft Office. If you don't already have it, go ahead and click on install so you get the app on your phone. I already have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on open. Within the Office app, what you could do is you could create Word, Excel, PowerPoint documents. You could also open documents. But one of the things I want to show today is how you could take a picture of text and then edit that text. And it's very simple to do. What we're going to do is in the bottom right hand corner, you have a few different options. You have Home, Plus, and then Actions. Let's go ahead and click on Actions. So you have all these different actions that you could do on your phone using the Office app. The one we're interested in today is called Image to Text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and the subtext says extract text from your picture. Well, that's exactly what we want to do. Just as a side note, you can also do an image to a table in Excel if that's what you're interested in. So let's go ahead. I'm going to click on Image to Text. And here's my phone, and I have this document that I got in the mail a little while back. So I'm just going to go ahead, raise my phone over, and then I'm going to click the photo button. So I'm going to go ahead, take a picture of this document. And now this is where the magic happens. So here, the Office app has identified this as being a document. I'm going to go ahead and click on Done. And now it's processing the image. And what it's doing is it's extracting the text from the photo. And now we just have to wait a moment. Okay, so the Office app now has extracted the text from this letter. So you see the image above, and then you can see all the text down below that it's pulled out from this. And it looks pretty good. It picked up all the text exactly as it appears in the document. Now what I could do is I could go ahead and if I click on copy, it'll copy all the text to my clipboard, and I could paste that in an email or a message or wherever I want to put that. Or what I could do is there's this share icon down below. And what this does is it brings up the standard iPhone or the iOS share control where I could send it in a message. Let's say I click on an email. Here it's inserted all the text into an email. So it's very easy to share. With an Android, it'll bring up the Android share control, and then you could share it however you want to. So that's just a quick tutorial of how you can take a picture of an image and then convert that image into text. You could send that to your computer where you can then edit it, but you basically can use your phone as a scanner and then get editable text from that. If this video helped you get editable text from an image, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. And if you have any other burning questions or any other topics that you want to see me create a video on in the future, leave a comment down below. I read them all and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. All right, well, that's all I had for you today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.